Okay, so they've moved me to the other shower. I've got 5 minutes. I better be quick and enjoy this. I'm currently over Bucharest at the minute. I'm having a shower at 39,000 feet. This is crazy. And it's pretty good as well. Okay. Doesn't make it any less scary, I tell you. Oh my God, once again, I didn't get that on the camera, but the lightning actually hit the plane.
Gentlemen, Captain speaking from Atlantic, folks. As I said earlier, there is a bit of weather around, and yeah.
He plays it so cool. A bit of weather. It was on the news how bad the weather was going to be in Dubai when we landed. It's just typical. And the worst thing is we're circling in and out of this thunderstorm so we can land. So the stewardess told me that you're not allowed to film the rain in Dubai or whilst driving, or yeah, I didn't understand what she meant.
We'll prepare all doors and clusters.
Thank you. How the heck am I going to find my luggage? There's so many luggage belts. Wow, that was scary coming in. There was so much lightning, and every time I tried to obviously capture it, it wouldn't work because obviously it was over. But lightning at a few thousand feet sounds different. It pops. It's very strange noises. Anyway, I'm glad I'm on the ground. Okay, so it's finally stopped raining. I'm at the hotel. By the way, if you want to see where I'm staying, make sure you subscribe to see the next video. It was quite a bit of a journey to get here from the airport, actually, through flooded roads in Dubai, I'm not going to lie. So you can hear the thunder still going on. Yikes. Now, the flight was expensive, but did I get my value for money? Kind of, I guess. I mean, I tried to eat as much food as I possibly could and take advantage of all the amenities that I could. The flight to Dubai on first class on a saver ticket cost me £3,200. Now, compared to what some people have paid online, I think actually that's not too bad. I'm also going to be flying back on business class for a lot less than that, and you can see that video very soon. Tell me what you thought in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.